Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my Passionate Penny Pincher home planner. This is the printable version. I do have the printed version for 2024. So this is for the week after Thanksgiving, the week of November 26th through December 2nd. I cannot believe December's already here. I decided to use some of my older release stickers. These are called Fairy Tale. The reason I want to use these is to show how I do have stickers available that match the colors in the Passionate Penny Pincher planner. And so I think Fairy Tale is going to look really pretty on this spread with the colors that Lori goes with in her planners. So let's go ahead and get started. As I've said before, I haven't really decorated a whole lot in this planner. So it's still kind of like a learning curve to me. So let's go ahead and just start like down at the bottom. I always like to start at the bottom of my pages. The corners of my pages. So let's start in this bottom right corner down here. And I did mess up on my website. I actually forgot. I took last week, so today is Monday, November 27th that I'm filming this. So I took off from working Thursday through yesterday, and I do have a new coupon code for Cyber Week. It is Cyber Week 35 in all capital letters, but I forgot to take off the Black Friday code on my actual website. So if you're trying to place an order, the code that is valid is all capital letters Cyber Week 35. I do have that posted on my website as well. So I just wanted to take some time off. I actually did a whole lot of nothing. Excuse me. And spent some time with my family. So it was much needed. I needed some time to do nothing. So much needed and much appreciated. So anyways, yeah, so that's the new code, and that code is valid through the end of this week. So y'all hop on over there and go ahead and save 35% off on my website and get all of your stickers in. As soon as I'm done filming today, I'm going to go ahead and work on more orders. My orders are fairly caught up except for the Black Friday sales, so... Not fairly, they are caught up except for the Black Friday sales. So orders are going out as scheduled, normally scheduled programming. So let's see, what do I want to do box wise? So let's see. I did not use a planner spread last week. I used my little notepad, because I didn't have time to film anything last week. I was busy trying to get orders finished by Wednesday so that I could take some days off. So I don't have a planner spread to show you from last week because I didn't use one. Uh-oh, did I not cut this right? Oh, I did. Okay. So I think I'm going to just lay some boxes down. Trying to figure out where I want to put these boxes. I don't really have anything scheduled this week, so I can kind of lay boxes wherever. I hurried up and cut these last night, so I don't know. I might not have my cut settings correct on my Cricut. If you ever get stickers like this that won't peel up easily from me, just let me know. Send me an email and I'll replace them. Sometimes I try to check all my stickers, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I miss them. So, yeah, these, I didn't have my cut settings right on this particular sheet. But it's okay. We're going to get through it. Let's see. Now, I want to do, let's see. I've got these little boxes too. So these are my old style boxes, and when I use these, it makes me want to bring these back. Y'all let me know in the comments which style boxes do you like better. Do you like my kits better? Do you like this style better? Or do you like the last release where I had like the bullet points and the scalloped washi? If you've been here for a while, you know that I'm always like trying to improve things, and so I do change up as I feel that I need to. I try to improve things, but then sometimes, like I said, whenever I start going back and using my older ones, then I feel like I want to go back to the old style. I think that's just a me problem, but y'all let me know. I think I'm just going to layer a couple of these boxes just to bring a little bit of color in here, and then we'll decorate around the boxes with some florals. Okay, I did just find some washi in my stash that I think will match. I'm not sure where I got these from. This one I know is one that I had previously in my shop, but it's out of stock, but I do have some left. And then this one, I'm not sure where this one came from, but I think the colors match fairly well. So I'm going to see if I can incorporate those into this spread as well. Let's see if I can somehow manage to peel one of these stickers off. If not, I'll use a smaller one. Okay, I got it. So let's try to go down here. And then I think I will use some of the washi like to color in the boxes, kind of like I've been doing lately. I think that's kind of cute. So let's try this little thin washi. And I don't know how this is going to look, to be honest. We're just going to try it and see. There's so much like writing on these spreads that it's kind of hard to decorate. But we're going to give it a shot. That's a little bit crooked. Okay. All right, now let's just decorate in with a little bit of some flowers. And I think I'm going to use my smaller sheet. I kind of like the way this would look. But I'm trying to leave myself a little bit of room to write. Oh, let me grab my little ruler. What did I do with that? This ruler. So let's see. I feel like I'm out of the loop here with decorating because I haven't filmed in a few days, like a week. I haven't filmed, so bear with me here. All right, I think I'm just gonna kind of wing it with measuring and just cut and see how it ends up. And so if you missed the video where I showed you these, this was in a pack of 3 or 4 like geometry rulers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that particular ruler there makes cutting these corners like so much easier. Because y'all know I can't cut straight lines. All right, now I need to just trim this. Such a little piece, I can't trim it. Okay, that's pretty. I think I need some coffee. I don't like to drink coffee before I film because it gives me the shakes. I need to get some decaf coffee. All right, now let's see. I think I want to do this one. So we'll cut this one here. Oh no, my ruler's sliding. Oh gosh, that was crooked. I cut it crooked, y'all. All right, so if you cut crooked, let me show you what to do. Cut right here, And then if you'll just lay, let me straighten this up a little bit too. If you'll just lay your two pieces down, you can kind of put them back together, and you won't be able to really tell that you cut that corner out. Like that. So it's hard to tell. I can tell because I know what was there, but it's hard to really notice. All right, and so let's see, what else do I want to do? I really can't do a whole lot to these spreads, like I said, because there's so much written in here that it's hard to do a lot of decorative stuff in here. So I think I might just take some of this washi and go across the top. See if I can line it up straight. And maybe put some across the bottom. Actually, I don't want to go all the way across. Let's see, what do I want to do? I want to go maybe to like right here. And then let's trim this off. I'm going to try to get a lot of videos filmed today. I like actually having videos, several videos a week. So I'm going to try to get ahead if I can in my filming. And I've got to work on some new designs for y'all too. So, oh, you know what I should have done? I just had an idea. But hold on. Hold that thought. So now we'll go here. I'll trim this off. I still haven't done my meal planning stuff either, y'all. I have all these good ideas, and then I get busy with orders, and then I can't follow through with my ideas. So, the wonderful life of a small shop owner. All right, so I think what I'm going to do, I took that other washi off. I'm going to take this washi and go in here. I think this will be a lot cuter. I think I'm going to go at the bottom. Yeah, that's really cute. And then I'm going to do the same right here. And we'll take this little piece. Sorry, I hope I'm not out of frame. I'm thinking. Okay. Look how cute that is, y'all. Oh, maybe I should put it the right way. Yeah, I like this. This is really pretty, and the colors match really well. So, okay, I think I'm going to call it quits for this because I think I don't want to take away too much from what's already written in the spread, but I do want to decorate like a half sheet insert so that I can do like a running to-do list. So let's go ahead and decorate this, and I'm just going to kind of use the leftovers that are here on this sheet. So I'm going to go up here at the top. And then I think I'm going to put this little piece up here because I don't like wasting stickers. And then I might do some at the bottom. I think I'm just going to take this and go at the bottom. I really don't want to have to punch a hole, but I'm going to have to, so it's okay. Yep, this is going to be cute. And this half sheet is just a full sheet printable that I printed and cut it down in half to make it a half sheet. So I don't know if you can tell, but that's why the lines go all the way to the edge, because I just cut it down to size. but I like having a half sheet insert in between my weeks so that I can do like a running to-do list, because if I put things on a certain day and they don't get done on that particular day, then they kind of get lost in the shuffle. So I like having a running to-do list. Okay, now I have my super cute spread that matches my Passionate Penny Pincher home planner. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all had a very happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys before Christmas. But if I don't, I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. So this is what it looks like. Oops, there we go. And then this is with my little half sheet insert. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content and videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye.